Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video we are discussing about HTML and CSS part 1's part 3 means this is the third part of the explanation. Here we are going to explain about heading tag, paragraph tag, HR tag, BR tag and some of formatting tag, logical and physical. So let's start the video. First we will study about heading tag. Heading, this is required to give heading to a paragraph or to a section of the web page. It defines the hierarchy of the web page, means at top what part will be there, bottom what part will be there. So that can be defined by the heading tag. When we write the main title of the document, we write inside H1. After the main title, if there are any more subtitle, then we give it to H2. After that, if there is even more subtitle, then we'll give it H3 and so on. There are 6 levels. H1 is the largest one and H1 is the smallest one. Now let's try heading tag in our web page. So we are coming to Notepad. We'll write a simple command HTML, then body, then we'll write H1 heading 1, heading level 1, then H1 close, then H2 heading level 2, then H2 close, again H3 heading level 3, then H3 close, then body close. We are not writing all 6, it will just waste of time. Then HTML close. Now we'll save the page. We'll set the location as desktop. We can take any heading dot HTML. Now saved. Now we'll go back to the desktop and we'll open the page. So here we'll search desktop. This is our desktop folder. This is my heading page. So if I open it, you can see the top one, it is the largest one, the second one little smaller, then third little smaller than second one. So this way the heading level decreases the size. You can use till 6 levels. H1 is the largest one and H3 is the smallest one. Now we'll move to the next command. Paragraph tag. When we want to start a paragraph in HTML document, then we use p tag. We can use align attribute along with p tag, and we are getting here 3 values: right, left, center, justified. If we give the value as right, the paragraph start from right hand side. By default it is left. If we give center, it start from center side. If we give justify, then both the side left and right will be try to equalize, means at the same position the line will start and the line will end. Now let's try a bit paragraph tag. So we'll go to the Notepad. First we'll go to the browser and we'll download some paragraph. So let's go to the browser and here we'll search lorem ipsum text. Actually lorem ipsum is what the programmer or developer use to just try their text. So let's try this only. I'm copying it. Now I'll go to the Notepad and we'll remove this code and we are writing again HTML, then body. Head we are skipping, we can skip head. H1, suppose I am writing paragraph, then H1, paragraph 1 H1. After that we'll paste the paragraph. I am pasting it. So we'll not take so much text, we'll take 2-3 lines. After this I am closing the paragraph. P close. Again I am starting next paragraph, P, and after few lines I am going to close this paragraph as well. So here I am closing P. Again I am starting third paragraph, P, and after that I am closing the paragraph, so P. Now the remaining text we can remove it, not necessary. After that we'll close body and we'll close HTML. Then we'll save the page, we'll go to browser and we'll open the file. First we have to go to desktop and we have to search. Our page name was heading. So this is my output. You can see the text are displayed in 3 paragraphs and all alignment is left. But if I want to change, then what I can do, I will use P attribute along with the paragraph. So here in the first paragraph, I have not started P only. So the first paragraph I am giving the alignment as justify. Then second paragraph I am giving the alignment as right. And third paragraph I am giving alignment as centered. Now we'll save the page, we'll go to browser and reload the page. Now we'll go to the browser and just reload the page. Now you see the first paragraph, it's as justified, so their starting and ending point should be same. Second one, it's starting from right hand side, and third one, it started from center. But if I zoom the page, then you will see. Now you see the first paragraph sentences are ending part and starting part is exactly same because it is justified. And second one right hand side, and third one it stop at center point, means the lines comes in the center position. Now we'll move back to the next topic, that is BR and no BR. Now BR tag we use when we want to add a new line to our web page, and no BR when we do not want to add a new line to our sentence or to our sentence in a web page. So let's try. Here is our paragraph. Suppose in my paragraph, in the first I want to display each sentence, I want to display something in new lines. So let's remove, suppose after lorem ipsum I want to display the other part in next line. Again after the dummy text, next line. Again typing setting, next line. So I have set BR. So wherever I wrote BR, this will be displayed in next line. So let's go to the browser and check the output. If I reload the page, you will see this text appears in next line. Now I will use no BR tag. Here in the next line I'll write no BR, and here I'll close the no BR. Now let's see the output. Now you will see this line, lorem ipsum has been, that line is continuing. We can continue the line in just one sentence. Just we have to scroll the screen, but it will not go to the next even if there is not enough space. So no beer prevent to add a new line to the web page, and beer tag it add a new line to the web page. After that we'll move to the next one. HR, it is used to draw a line to our web page. Let's try to draw a line after the heading one. So after h1 we'll draw a line. That's why HR tag define the horizontal line to our web page. Color attribute is add color to the line. Let the color be red. Then size attribute, it define the thickness of the line. Let the size be 5. Then width attribute, it define the size of the line, means how long it will be. Let it be 75%. We can give either in percentage or in pixels. After that, align attribute, it set the position of the line. Align, let be center. And one more is there, no shade, it remove the shade from the line. Now bracket close. As HR is empty tag, so we don't have to close HR tag. It have only starting. BR and HR tag have only starting, they don't have close tag. So this is my code. Now we'll go, first I'll save the page. Now I'll go to the browser and reload the page. So you can see after the first line, after the first paragraph, one red color line is displayed here. This is the use of HR tag. Now go to the next one. Comment tag. It is used to give comment to our web page. These are helpful for the developer or the web developer or the coder or the programmer who writes program or web page. Means when they are writing a long code, afterwards by reading the comments they will remember for what purposes they have written which part of the code. So let's try comment tag in our web page. So before HR I will write a comment that this part is written to draw a horizontal line. So for giving comment we'll give first bracket, then exclamatory sign, then 2 dash. After that I am writing the comment, HR tag draws a horizontal line. After that I will close the comment for the 2 dash and bracket close. Now let's save the page, and if we go to the browser and reload the page, you will see there is no changes. We can't see anything. But if we go to the source of the page, right click on the browser's window and go to the view page source, you will see after h1 this comment line is displayed. So this comment line is only to the creator, not to the readers. So now let's go to the explanation part. Formatting tag, we get two type of formatting tag, they are physical and logical. And formatting tag changes the appearance of the text. It make the text italics, underline or bold. And by using formatting tag we take the attention of the readers in our web page. There are two kinds, physical and logical. Physical tag, it gives visual appearance to the text, but it does not give meaning to the text. But logical, along with the appearance, it also gives meaning to the text. Like suppose I am writing a paragraph where which words or keywords are important in that paragraph, that we can write inside EM. We can give bold as well, but if we write inside strong, then that word will be kept as important for the paragraph, and if someone searches that particular paragraph in the internet, then that keyword will be highlighted. And SUP, there also comes under formatting tag only. These are used to write mathematical formulas and scientific equations. SUP, it is used to write the text little above of the text, and SUB, sub, it is used to write the text half of the character's height of below the character, means little below the character. For example, CO2 and SUP is like x square plus y square. So let's try SUP and SUB. Suppose after the line only I have to draw CO2. So how we'll do it? We'll go to codes. After the comment I am coming, after HR we'll draw it. So we'll go to after HR. Here I am writing X. Suppose I am writing formatting, italics. So I will write I, and inside I take I will write X, then superscript SUP2, because I want to set only 2 upwards. That's why only I am writing 2 inside SUP. Then plus, then Y, again SUP2, SUP, close, and BR to go to the next line. After that, here I can close the I as well. I. Now here I am writing the formula of water. So here writing B tag water, then B closing. After that I am writing U, means underline, then H2 we have to write below, so SUB2, SUB close, and O. After that underline close. So let's check it whether this comes or not. So you can see x square and y square, it came in italics, and also the 2 came little above, and here water it came in bold, and H2O this came in underline. So this way we can format our text, and by using logical also we can do the same thing, but logical will also give meaning to the text. Like I am writing about lorem and if some things. So if I want to make it lorem big bold, so I can write here strong, and after finishing it we can close strong. And instead of italics we can use EM tag, like dummy text. There I can write EM. You will see that dummy text will be appearing italics. So EM close. This is the use of logical tag. Now if I reload the page, you will see here lorem ipsum, it appears in bold, and dummy text this I wrote inside EM, and even it is also appeared in italics. We have some more text. Mark tag is there to highlight something on the web page. Suppose in my paragraph I am removing the no BR. So lorem ipsum has been industry standard. That part I want to do highlight. So what I will do, before the text we will write mark, and till what we have to highlight there we will close the mark. Save the page and we'll go and reload, and we'll see the difference. Now we'll see where I put mark tag, that part is displayed in yellow color, means background is yellow or highlighted. So by using mark tag we can highlight the text. So I hope you have understood the formatting tag. Next class we will study about CSS. CSS are three kind: internal, then inline, internal, and external. So we are going to explaining details in the 4th video of this part. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then take care and bye.